And I think the Zebra product portfolio,
Bicycle.
starting after the first of the year, I mean, we're talking smart cameras. We have PC-based vision
Yeah.
systems. We have 3D profilers. I mean, it really brings us to a fruit-to-fruit like product with against our competition, backed by the history and the legacy of the Zebra brand. And I think that that's really exciting. And what really makes it possible is that partner-centric element, right, that I mentioned earlier on in our conversation. And it takes partners that not are only willing to receive information but are willing to be a true partner and reciprocate, so the relationship goes both ways. And I have to tell you that Air Hydro is that partner, and I thank you very much for being part of this team as well and being a partner, Tom.
Well, we're proud to be part of it. I mean, the more you learn about Zebra, I mean, the more I learn about it, the more I'm impressed with the company and all of the different pieces of this big jigsaw puzzle that that company has put together, and they're putting in the right pieces in the right place. If you look for Zebra, the vision side is probably one of the newest members of that product offering for Zebra. But when they introduced the Zebra products, the fixed scanners, they were state of the art product that had great software, that was upwardly scalable and great product offering that were simple but powerful. And I think that's uh, you can tell a lot of money was invested up front, and then with adding Matrox to it, I mean, it just takes you have the complete portfolio from a standalone camera all the way to a PC based vision system. It's a very very strong offering now.